Speak at least 10 sentences about your school.
I'm going to say some about my school. My school's name is Vijay Academy. My school is the best in our city. My school is an English medium school. My school is the best in our city. My school is very beautiful. My school is very big. My school teachers are very intelligent. My school discipline are very nice. I like my school.
Thank you. Now say something about daily routine.
I wake up from bed early in the morning, then I brush my teeth, then I make wuzu, then I offer Fajr Salah, then I recite the glorious Quran, then I have breakfast, then I study and memorize the lesson, then I take bath, then I go to school 8 o'clock, then I come back to house. Then I take breakfast, then I take rest. Then I have dinner, then I go to my bed at 10 p.m.
Thank you so much.